everyone, welcome to E Times. I am Megha Suresh and today on the first day of Ganesh Chaturthi, we have the stunning Isha Kopikar with us. Hello Isha.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Shri Ganesh. I'm good. Thank you.
So Ganesh Chaturthi is a very important festival in Maharashtra. So what is the significance of this festival in your family?
I've woken up to Ganesh Utsav because I was born on the Visarjan day. And thereafter I was also named Isha, which means Parvati. So he's my Ishta Devta and I've always been very much in love with him since the time I was little. And then there used to be a community living, and I was brought up in Karnataka society, which was about 8 to 9 buildings. We used to start the prep for Ganesh Utsav almost a month and a half in advance. When we were children, we would participate and we would actually start in advance. We used to have a lot of, Sahitya Samiti जिसको बोलते हैं, बहुत सारे dances होते थे, acts होते थे, one act plays होते थे, सारे लोग direct करने के लिए participate करते थे, act करने के लिए participate करते थे. And then after the 10 days of Ganesh Utsav, after the Visarjan, we used to come back to an empty, mandal, and we used to feel so bad, literally as if we really lost somebody. I don't like Visarjan.
Visarjan, right.
I just
Nobody
don't like
likes
it.
Visarjan.
I don't like it. I wish that, but I guess that also has a lesson. God is trying to teach us that everything that comes has to go.
Right.
So
right.
it's
very true.
I love it. I love Ganesh Utsav. It is one amongst my favorite festivals.
What are the traditions that you and your family follow?
Traditions that we follow, गणपति बाप्पा को जो भी अच्छा लगता है, मोदक, लड्डू, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि गणपति बाप्पा को भूख बर्दाश्त नहीं होती थी, तो इसीलिए हम चांद को देख के उपवास तोड़ते हैं. एकादशी अगले दिन भी तोड़ सकते हैं, लेकिन बाप्पा की जो हम लोग के लिए जो व्रत रखते हैं, संकष्टी हो या अंगारिका हो, हम लोग उसी दिन शाम को, तो पूरे दिन normally we don't eat salt. And then the evening with a proper meal, हम लोग चांद को देख के we used to follow Angarika, which comes जिसको 21 संकष्टी का पुण्य मिलता है, and then of course संकष्टी. A संकष्टी on a Tuesday is called Angarika.
Okay. Which is your favorite dish?
I like जो मम्मी बनाती है, that varan I like. मम्मी कुछ भी बनाती है I like.
Okay.
मतलब वैसे I have no favorite. Whatever she makes.
What does Bappa mean to you? Tell us in 3 words.
Oh.
3 words.
Cute. I know 3 words. I mean, he's like, I don't know whether see, he's an energy that I know that I'm surrounded by and with. I cannot explain Bappa and the parameters of 3 words.
3 words.
It is not possible because he's the universe for me. So how can I express in 3 words?
Right.
हर जगह पहुंच मत जाना. What about me? Right now it's about Bappa. It's not your birthday. It's his birthday. Let's talk about him.
My birthday, you never did.
Okay. They wanted to interview me on Bappa's birthday. Tell them. Chalo.
We'll come next on your birthday.
Yeah.
Okay. You have to be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does Rihanna involve in the rituals and the preparations?
No.
No.
In the preparations, no. But in the rituals, I have to be like a little bit. I have to be a little, Rihanna. I think today's generation needs that little bit. But she, compared to a lot of other children that I've seen, she participates.
Okay.
She loves Holi. She sits through a lot of pujas. At least she did sit through until a year or 2. Now she's 10 years old. She's become a proper person,
Right.
mini adult.
How do you feel Ganesh Chaturthi has evolved over years, like in your family and in society?
I think everybody has become conscious about the environment, and now we have eco-friendly Ganpatis. Mine too is one made of matti, made of mud, so that it disintegrates and kind of dissolves very fast,
Right.
rather than leaving POP के पहले होते थे.
Right.
And other than that, it actually started for people to come together. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had started this. And then Lokmanya Tilak after that took over.
Right.
Because at that time and under the Britishers' rule, they wanted us Indians to come together and enjoy some festivities to show unity. So this is how it had actually started. but now we have so many festivals, so it just happens. But each festival has its own significance.
Significance, right.
So for Ganeshotsav, it is the birth of Parvati's elephant child, who she created with her own hands, and then of course was beheaded, and because of the wrath, I mean, then she took the Kali Ma, the Chandi roop, and then the first animal that they found was the elephant, and then he became, you know, the Gajmukh. That's how Ganpati.
So every year you bring in
Bappa? No, this is my third year.
Okay, this is your third year.
This is my third
and this is your new house.
Yes.
So this year it will be much more special for you.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
In fact, last year when I was praying, I asked him for a new house, and he's given it to me within a few months.
Right.
So
Very special.
it is very special.
Well done. It's an emotional
Yes,
moment.
I always get emotional when I went yesterday to get Bappa. I saw him and I just see him when I'm doing his aarti. I just have my
I'm feeling like
I
that.
have my meltdowns with him all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we go for Visarjan, she and me both. Oh. Yeah.
I can see how special he is for you.
He's very special.
Do you like to dress up for the festival? Put traditional clothes? Yeah? No traditional?
Then how do you dress up? Wearing pants, jeans and crop tops? That's how you dress up for
Yeah.
festival. Look at that.
It's the Gen Z.
Yeah, the Gen Z. I'll wear a crop
Right.
top and pants for Ganpati.
Right.
Doesn't work like that.
Do you go for Visarjan and the dance, the Visarjan dance? and
No,
everything?
I have done that.
Yeah?
Oh God. हमारे कॉलोनी के सार्वजनिक गणपति होते थे ना, ओहो आधे रास्ते छोड़ा जाता था हमको, मम्मी पापा बोलते थे 1 घंटे में लौट के आना है।
वो
हम
तो
लोग
होता ही
कॉलोनी,
नहीं था।
हाँ, फुल रास्ता होता ही नहीं था। नहीं होता था, वरना
छड़ी।
मार पड़ती थी। हाँ, सो कॉलोनी से निकलते आधा पौना घंटा निकल ही जाता था। बिकॉज 9 बिल्डिंग्स की कॉलोनी थी, एंड बाय द टाइम वेंट आउट, आधे रास्ते मतलब कि ऐसी जगह हो कि हमारी बिल्डिंग दिखाई देनी चाहिए, बस वहाँ से फिर निकलते थे हम लोग। बट वहाँ तक जो तमाशा होता था ना, शानदार।
अभी भी आप करते हो?
नहीं, मैं कहाँ कॉलोनी में रहती हूँ, डांस में करती हूँ। जैसे यहाँ विसर्जन में अभी यहाँ से जब निकलेंगे बप्पा और नीचे गाड़ी तक जाएंगे तो ढोल के साथ जाएंगे, फटाकू के साथ जाएंगे, देयर बी क्रैकर्स, विल बर्स्ट क्रैकर्स एंड ऑल दैट मौज मस्ती होगी। एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स वी गो टू द इको फ्रेंडली टैंक पास में, एंड देन वी इमर्स बप्पा, एंड दैट मोमेंट आई डोंट लाइक दैट मोमेंट।
Nobody likes.
Yes.
Okay,
Done.
thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Wishing you all a very, very happy Ganeshotsav. Have a great time with your family and spend as much time with Bappa. Don't leave him alone.
Yeah.
जितनी उनकी आराधना कर सकते हो, पूजा कर सकते हो, सेवा कर सकते हो, करो, and stay blessed. Thank you.
Thank you.